So, Chair of St. Peter's School confers this Peterson Student Award on, and then the name of the awardee for the first quarter of school year 2021-2022 in grateful appreciation of her or his recognition of the Peterson core values. Given this 19th day of October 2021 in the year of our Lord, signed by our principal, Miss Irene M. Decena.
Okay, so for grade 2, St. Catherine Labouré, we have Carl Azriel R. Beke, Ian Abraham I. Viala, Jaden D. Calip, Aiden Gabriel A. Candelaria, Ian Wesley, and Joaquin P. Tamo.
More for grade 2 St. Catherine Labouré, we also have Andre Samuel S. Halina, Princess Marisan C. Fraga, Nishita Nitin A. Naik, and Oribel D. Santos.